This is Hiccup. I know you can't see him down here. But he has a congenital defect. One of his vertebrae, I think it's C3, is not totally closed. And it creates excruciating pain for him at times where he squeals and walks really gingerly. And I've worked with Sarah really basically every 5-6 weeks on average. Sometimes more, sometimes less, and it really seems to help correct this for him. There were a couple of times there where I didn't know if it was the right thing to do to keep him suffering like that, but the work that she does with him is pretty amazing. So, you know, Sarah has done the work with Hiccup remotely, where I don't believe you've ever done an in-person session with him. Seems to keep it in check, so I hope we can keep doing that with him.